Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what you need to know before you get this Tribesigns Rustic wood end table. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're interested in getting this. What do you actually need to know about it? So first things first, this bottom portion where the storage space is, this actually goes through, okay? So some people might think like it's a wall one-sided, but this actually goes through. The second thing you need to know is that I consider this to be a bit heavy duty, meaning that it's not like a modular couch where you can move the pieces. This to me kind of tends to stay in just one place. And so with that, we push it against our couch. The third thing that you need to know is that it took me about an hour to assemble, but everything came packed securely, safely, nothing was damaged, and all the materials I needed were supplied in order for me to assemble this. Now, the last thing is that you can have this wooden end table be positioned like this, or you can have it be positioned like this. So depending on where you plan on putting it, again, just as a reminder, it sees through right there, so you can see my dog is right over there. And inside there, I've seen people put books, magazines, throw blankets. I've seen them put dog beds, but it's up to you. But I'd say this is a really great piece of furniture. And if you're looking for a modern, rustic, wooden end table design, I'd say that this is an absolutely fantastic choice. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.